How to use Roblox Marketplace step by step. First of all, launch the Roblox application onto your device. Once you open the Roblox Marketplace, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your avatar icon on the bottom right corner and make sure that you are on the Marketplace rather than the customized option. Now, once you're here within the Marketplace, you simply have to go through all of these options. You can find all the exploring styles as well as the trending items within the game itself. Or what you can also do is simply tap on this avatar panel or go through these options and find yourself exact categories or items that you need. You can also find the subcategories right below. You can simply tap on any of these options and tap on any of the items that you want to purchase. Simply have to tap on them and tap on this amount and tap on this buy option, and this item will be now found on your inventory. You can also tap on this filter icon to filter any sorts of items as well as set the price range, and also the availability will be shown over here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.